Did you know I created a list of 27 tips and tricks for injury prevention in runners? That's right, not just 3 or 5 or 7, but 27. I took a look at everyone's complaints, people's comments and research, other videos and articles out there to see what was missing. Over the course of the next 27 weeks, you'll be able to catch all 27 tips and tricks right here on the channel. This entire series is brought to you by my signature course, the 3-week sports chiropractic program, where I look at getting you pain-free in under a 3-week period and getting you back to the activity you love most. If you want to grab the complete guide, go ahead, click that link down below. Now, these tips and tricks are in no specific order, so let's get started with tip number 1, the benefits of massage therapy. So raise your hand if you love massage, a really good massage, because I know I do. I love massage. But there are some really interesting facts that you might want to know about massage therapy, as well as some of the benefits to massage therapy. Now, here are some fun facts that I had when really putting together this tip and trick. 1, the history and origin of massage therapy is one of the oldest forms of physical therapy to be recorded in Eastern cultures. It traced back to medical textbooks from ancient China from as early as 1800 BC, which documents how specific techniques were performed for therapeutic purposes. Now, this one I found very funny. In colonial times, massage therapists were known as rubbers. Yeah, did you hear me right? Rubbers. These were women who were hired by surgeons to treat orthopedic conditions and problems with manual rubbing and friction. Sounds a little strange and a little funny, but very true. You can go ahead and Google it. By the late 1800s, the name masseur or masseuse became very popular. These practitioners were trained in soft tissue work, mostly soft tissue manipulation, and hydrotherapy was something that started being put into that massage at the time and could be kind of considered the origin of massage services, things like body wraps and scrubs. By the late 1930s, massage therapy started evolving a little bit more, and we got into what was now known as Swedish massage, and the physiotherapists who used it in regular medicine helped massage therapy become a legitimate and respectable form of medicine. Kind of fun history facts. Now, the benefits to massage alone are really key in helping us recover from our injury. So yes, massage therapy can help us with injury prevention, but it is really key in the recovery phase. Now, I've listed out 5 different benefits to massage therapy that can really be beneficial. 1 is pain relief. This should kind of sound like a no-brainer. Massage helps in improving blood flow to the injured area by allowing the muscle to relax. It also helps relieve stress. Now, we all know when we're injured, our stress gets a little heightened. So again, by going ahead and increasing the endorphins to our body, it's a great way to kind of help boost our immune system as well as our circulation. Now, again, massage therapy increases the circulation to our body, which allows for improved blood flow, removes the waste, the toxins from our muscles, our internal organs, lowers the blood pressure, and improves overall body function. And again, like I mentioned a little bit earlier, boosts immunity. And this is where certain massage therapists can do various different types of techniques known as lymph drainage, which helps really boost our immunity. Now, if you're someone who is interested in understanding or learning more about lymph drainage, I would highly recommend that you go to somebody who is specifically trained with that technique. That is not a technique that you want to kind of just whimsically go and see someone for. You want someone who specifically deals with lymph drainage. Now, in terms of rehabbing our injuries, this is where we kind of take all those tips that I've just mentioned about massage therapy and we kind of put it into play. This is where, for the rehab portion, it improves our circulation, it relaxes the muscle, it increases our flexibility, reduces that recovery time, and helps reduce that stress, getting our bodies prepared to really re-enter that activity. Now, what it boils down to is massage is a great way to prevent injuries, so I would highly recommend it. Now, what I would recommend is seeking out a massage therapist who deals with sport-specific massage or ART, which is known as active release, Graston, or trigger point therapy, or a combination of them. It is also important to recognize that a good massage therapist should also be able to deal with sport-specific injuries. So you're not looking at just getting a fluff and buff type of massage, but you're looking for somebody who's going to really work specifically with your injury. So a massage therapist that deals with sports-related injuries is key, and even if somebody has a little bit more extensive knowledge with medical terminology and medical conditions. Don't forget to catch all 27 tips and tricks on injury prevention in runners right here on the channel. I'm Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor, and I'll see you in the next video.